Okay, so here is what I did. I took a plain white piece of paper, or you can use lined or whatever you have at home. I cut them into small squares, and then I wrote the letters on each of them. And then I put them in order as I wrote them. And so that is what we are going to do today. We did this in our small groups on the carpet not long before we left for spring break. And we're going to do it again today. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to pause the recording. And when you get back, we will make some words out of your letter arch. So go ahead and pause it. Go make your letter cards, or get some letters that you can put together in an alphabet. And when you come back, we'll make some words. Okay, let's make some words. The first word I want you to make is fan. Let's chunk that out. Fan. So find letter for Okay, let's pull them. Hopefully you pulled Okay. Fan. So let's chunk it out. Fan. Good job, kindergarten. Okay, let's change fan. Excuse my voice. Let's change fan to man. What would you have to change? Change fan to man. We'll put the F back. What do we need in front of an? We need that M. Let's chunk it out. Man. Good job. Now let's change let's change man to tan. Change man to tan. So what do we have to put back? Man to tan. It's a rhyming word, so when we have rhyming words, the only thing we change out is that first sound. So let's slide M back. Tan. There it is. Slide it over. Now let's chunk it out. Here we go. Tan. Good job. Okay, now let's change it up a little bit. Let's change tan to tap. Tap. T-a-p. What sound changed there? T. Well, that's the same here. That's the same. We got to slide N back. Oops. And we got to find P. What letter says P? That's right. Letter P. Let's chunk it out. Here we go. T-a-p. Tap. Good job. Okay, let's change tap to tag. Tag. Let's think about the sounds that are the same between tap and tag. They both start t, have the same a vowel. G. Oh, we got to slide that P back. G. What letter makes the G sound? That's right, it's letter G. Let's slide that over. Okay, let's go ahead and chunk it. Here we go. T-a-g. Tag. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to challenge you. Okay, we got to change tag to tug. Tug. T-ug. What changed there? T. Stayed the same. Not this one. G. So let's put A back. What letter makes the sound? What vowel makes like umbrella? That's right, it's letter U. Let's slide that right in the middle. Now let's chunk it out. Here we go. T-g. Tug. Good job. Okay, now let's go back to a little easier stuff. Let's change tug to bug. Bug. B-g. Bug. Oh, that sounds like it rhymes with tug. So remember, rhyming words, the same chunk is at the end. So bug. Sounds like we got to change out the first letter. And what letter do we need now? Bug. Bug. That's right, I agree. Sounds like a B. Let's chunk it out together. Here we go. B-u-g, bug. Good job. Okay, let's try a little bit of a challenge one again. Let's change bug to big. Big. That's the same. Big. G is the same. Looks like we have to change out the vowel again. Let's put U back. Squeeze it in there. So we need a vowel here in the middle. B-I-G. I. I. What vowel says I? Like icky. That's right. It's letter I. Let's chunk it all together. Here we go. B-I-G. Big. Good job, kindergarten. Okay, let's try it again. We're going to change out that middle sound again. Oop, I gave you a hint there. We're going to change big to beg. 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 B is the same. G is the same. What's different? That's right, that middle sound. Let's slide I back in its right spot. B-E-G. That sounds like ed-a-beta. And what letter does ed-a-beta have? That's right. Letter E. B-E-G. Beg. Good job. All right, one last one. Let's make it a little bit easier this time. Let's change beg to bed. Bed. B-E-D. Gotta change out that G. Let's slide it back. Bed. What letter do we need to slide over? Bed. Yep, that's letter D. Good job, kindergarten. Here we go. Let's chunk it out one more time. B-E-D. Bed. Good job. I hope that you can keep going with words, and maybe you can get some bigger words with your family. What I did, parents, is I just used the back of an envelope and I made a word chain. And all I did when I started with fan is I changed at first the first letter, then I moved to the second letter. And what's hard is that vowel in the middle. So what you can do then is change the vowel in the middle. I guess here I didn't, but I needed to get to a new word, but change the vowel in the middle. That's kind of the hardest part. So what's helpful is if you make a word chain, then you know what to say next, and it's not so hard. Hopefully that is fun for you to do for an activity this week, and enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know. See you later.